bum, 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 bum. Oh, look, it's another one of these. Haha. Should we play the game again? Do you want to? Do you want to? Oh, you don't? Oh, we're going to play it anyway. Which car have I got? I could have the Honda S2000, but I could have the Plymouth GTX that I do so want. Or maybe it's the Supra. Or maybe it's another car that isn't on the back. Haha, fooled ya. Yep, another car that isn't on the back. I've noticed that they all seem to be Brian's, because the last one was Brian's. The Supra is Brian's, and this is also Brian's. Probably means nothing. Anyway, where's my screwdriver? Let's get the tape off. Let's get straight into it. Let's get straight into it, guys. I really need to stop. There we go. Very good. And out she comes. Away with the box. And away with this bit as well. If we can. Come on. Away with the... Let's stop making random weird comments. There we go. Oh boy, I do love me and Evo. Oh, these are really, really cool cars. I'm not 100% of a fan of the coloration or the detail on this. To be honest, a lot of the cars in the Fast and Furious movies, the tuners especially, mainly the tuners, not a fan of the liveries or the decals. To be honest, I prefer most cars to have none at all, but that is just my personal preference. Otherwise, it's pretty cool. I mean, the colour scheme works quite well. It's quite nice. It definitely stands out, that light green. Just not my cup of tea, really. Yeah, obviously we got the Boy Racer body kit. You couldn't go without a Boy Racer body kit, lads. Oh, nice and riced. To be fair, it's not too bad actually. Got obviously this massive sort of splitter, low down splitter there. We have what could have been an intercooler, but isn't an intercooler. Oh, could have been so good, lads. Yeah, got some nice light details there. That's really cool. That's really well detailed actually. If I can try and get that to focus on that, that's really well detailed. I like that. It looks as if, you know, a common mod on cars is they paint the inside of the lenses the same colour or black or whatever, which I've done to my own car on this channel. Yeah, it's quite a common thing to do. That looks really cool. It's really nice, I like that. Reasonable detail on the hood vent. It's a shame these aren't black. That would have made it pop just that little bit more. Obviously we've got the opening doors. The little models have these, the opening doors, which is really nice. Nice little feature. This one isn't a JDM spec because the door is on the left hand side instead of the right. Not to worry, that's not too bad. Still got some pretty good detail in there with the steering wheel and the dashboard. That looks really nice. Look at that, that's cool. I think it even goes down to the point where it's got little dials. How cool is that? That's really nice. Awesome. Oh, this door is sagged a little bit. Can I make it shut unsagged? No, I can't. That's a bit of a shame. Oh no, he's had an incident with his door. Maybe he tried to put Lambo doors on it and it failed or something. No, it's just generally like that. Maybe I could fix it by taking it apart, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. Nice wheels on it. Well, the wheels look nice. Yeah, they're alright. They're kind of cool. Nice and chrome. Good detail on them. Rubber tyres, as always. And we've got the rear lights. Try and get the focus on the detail there. Again, same again with the front lights. Basically, I've just got clear plastic in there. Probably would have looked better with red, but I'm not sure whether in the movie it had, you know, modded lights like this. It probably did. Looks like it might have some sort of slight wide body, I'm not sure. Don't know. That rear end is so cool though. I don't know, I just like the look of that, that's so cool. Massive exhaust there. Massive baked beans can on the back. Massive wang. Massive wing. Really, really cool. That's really nice. I've said before with the last one, these don't fail to disappoint. They're just so well made. So well detailed. Although you are kind of paying for it really. They're not the most solid or quiet of things there. The wheels are a little bit, well, I say a little bit, they're very rattly, but I mean, they roll fine. They roll really well actually. Especially the rubber tyres, it feels quite good. Yeah, that's really cool that. Shame about the door. That's really annoying actually. Yeah, this is really nice. I do like me an Evo. Oh, you... Wait, focus. Yeah, that's cool. Oh. So there we go, another Fast and Furious die-cast vehicle. I hope you've enjoyed. Please drop a like down below if you have so, and if you like this car. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section down below about this car, and be sure to subscribe for more content very soon. I'll see you in the next one.